plug it in and put on your Wi-Fi, connect your Wi-Fi to it. You got a remote that comes with it as well. Right here on the top is the focus setting. And you see this is with the lights on, and this looks really good. Here's your power button, your HD connector, your headphones, your USB, your plug-in. The volume comes right out of this speaker here. You can angle it up and down, put it on the ceiling, goes all the way. This also has Bluetooth, so you can play sound with it and music from your phone. So there's actually speakers on both sides, and it goes really loud. I was honestly surprised. You get a remote included with it, but batteries are not included. It's set up similar to like a Fire Stick remote. Home button, back button, volume up and down. You have the mute, so if you want to quick access that. You get a little manual with it as well. The picture comes in really good and really clear. I was actually impressed at how good it came in. And if you are struggling with it at all, you just do the little focus right here on the front, and you can focus the picture, the image, to be much more clearer. This has been great for outdoors as well. You could put it on your house, or you could get a screen to put it on and just set it up outdoors for movie night, or you know, a fun sleepover night when you have kids and you have a sleepover. Definitely works great, and it's super small and convenient that you can bring it with you. Thanks for sending me this to review.